Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Mwancho mulgeria na mogokone korenga ngamorgo bogo moteru ando si sotu watirito korwa aya Amayia Chinsa Ikomi asenchirere yo bwenge credit kulia kane elie Jumatano umwako yiga bwechiro 25 mo omuchenyu yiga akabire nkoro kwa Daniel Omwaga ayare mutwe na aron kwaliganetie senchira ya bene. Amayia Chinsa Ikomi nigotribu chakane engana yo goichani omwancho mugireria asebono amatia yemo korwa asekenyero kya rogongo ewadi ya basi bogetaurio nigagenderete goichanera obosira akomwana abo manyekene buna Joseph Kaisa oyuwa gotebekana gosira ogima bwaye wetera hasenchira ayokonywe sumo egakore yakorekaneta enseyemo yeritko ria morogoba ime yomochi ominyinkwa nyagosira Kaisa nigokonye agosomera lichiko ase University ya Maseno na konye nigabekire miroberio yogochia bwesonania attachment mega berekene egiagusi
igaga soma Maseno University igormambia kanga kiresi mitwa kwana nere aganti mama ntumere chibesa ngakane semester ngabwatanga mutumere chibesa kana kora kumutumere chibesa aganti bana mama ngwenda ndingakane mate munchencha kigokora aganti nanu meta attachment yane mbusongera bwakuti nkamatebie kaisone ni manyete ngirete igamara kwa paisa moja iga nyore simi ngwa kirku ena mbengeni mbori guna mama Kaisa batebie nda yani wanyuke andi nkora arwarare mbori ayeni ngaya yanje ndu twanyoro mwana oyo iga kaire matega iga minyingu abanywete ryogo kababuri anywete ryogo bano ngochikoge tukuchikwana kuchiororo nyagitari akandangeria kaburi ngai mamu mwabo mwana oyari kabatebi ninje bakangira kuchime bagante yayo mwana oyo iga twamusugurukeire lakini ndendo buguma bwaye bweri
yari bono nguja nkumire birero tata mwana onye kumiro mojo korona gaki na chaga cha kondora kondwarite igacha kongakero kwae
mwana konye twa kuri skuru mama mwabo nirikere gento tabwa tipikende bana atigarete bosa bakeme gonda oneti akiasomyo mwana oyacha komokona lakini omwana oyiga akigatosirira akio twa ego tokumeti gaki tokorera gaki na mabera ngagaki tomanyo boene bwaye gaki nesu mwanywete gaki gosiningi gaki
bono ngokwanira abana basae ekera banyorire mochando ndi bwensi baika baiboli yange baika nono mwalimu wabange ejindo nyara kubaeresa omochando oyo onye ndirika isato erese to mochando oye kangona batwamukaniti takorege korege yakorete tiganya samo bekasaga ya
akiyarenge bazagati oskuruarenge maseni ontimente ashausira ono tukumiti toichanete amone tono kumia
nagotikana ningani yo goichani omwancho mulgeria hono toske mutu ase muraibwense William Ruto nigomene na abarwaneri bebirogo ao korwa asekia makiria kya UDO omugasorero elio koroberia emerobirio ye kyame Ruto aira chinga kichaye cyabene ecyoko mochia abamereri baye chinga kiechyo bege siasa kubatikana ne emerobirio elia ao aberekoba agakobeka egati yabo obwagachi bw'ikinyomba achirigo lirense amo na gotinya secretary y'ekisemi imeyense ya Kenya.
Watu walituambia when we started, walituambia haya maneno ni uongo, haya maneno hayawezekani. Serikali ingine walijaribu housing wakashindwa, wengine walijaribu transformation wakashindwa. Hii ni porojo, hii ni uongo, haiwezekani. But we are telling them today that you called us liars. You said it's not possible. Today, before your own eyes, we are demonstrating, not in word, but in deed, that it is possible to transform our agriculture. It is possible to undertake affordable housing. It is possible to transform our education. It is possible to transform our health. It is possible to have a program to create jobs. It is possible for us to have a savings culture that will eventually free us from debt, that will eventually free us from begging from other countries, that we can undertake and underwrite our own development using our own savings and our own resources. We have demonstrated in clear terms that that is possible. Ni kweli ama si kweli, my friends? Mnasema tuendelee ama tuendelee? Mnasema tuendelee ama tuendelee? Si walisema ati tunasema uongo? Si walisema ya kwamba haiwezekani? Mimi nawauliza, mambo ya kilimo imewezekana ama haijawezekana? Bei ya mbolea imepungua haijapungua? Tumeongeza mazao ya kilimo hatujaongeza? Bei ya kahawa imeongezeka haijaongezeka? Ya majani chai tumeongeza production hatujaongezeka? Mimi nimewaeleza ya kwamba walisema ya kwamba mambo ya elimu leo CBC tumenyorosha hatujanyorosha? Walimu 1,100 tumeajiri hatujaajiri? Madarasa 23,000 tumejenga hatujajenga? New funding model, ile universities ambazo zilikuwa zimeenda bankrupt, leo I want to challenge anybody to go and talk to any leader of a university, any vice chancellor. They will tell you the new funding model is changing the way we are delivering matters education, and universities are getting out of insolvency because we have sorted out the problem that we had in education. We told you, good people, that we are going to change the law, that matters of health, we are going to change health, that health is no longer going to be the preserve of those who have jobs, those who can afford, those who have the means, that health, as the Constitution, Section 43 of the Constitution tells us, that health is not a privilege for those who can afford, it is a right for every citizen of the Republic of Kenya. We are demonstrating that that is possible. Tunaelewana jameni? We told them we are going to create jobs.
Na gukwana korwa osomo yego yo mwancho mugeria mokonyi bwo murayibwense Kithure Kindiki nigo abekire tene ni emeroberio serikali yabekire guchikwene kibuna abakenya bonsi bali bakonyora hengeria erense y'ekisiringi kiribu 30 mbali gochia wakana abangende yonse nonya nintururu okwane kerekyo nigo Kindiki anyatogirie emeroberio ya magendero yo murayibwense Dr. William Ruto yaberkoba gakowenekeria na kobaera abakenya
using debt. This one we are building using innovative funding models. We are using our own resources. Hata hii Rironi Mau Summit hakuna deni na hakuna kuongeza kodi. Niseme nisiseme? Niseme. Silimulisikia wale watu walikuwa wanaita bosi yangu Zakaya? Zile wasikia? Those characters, they are in for a rude shock. Because, you see, the president is a scientist, but he is also a thought leader. He understands that to build a nation, you don't look for short-term populism, quick fixes that will evaporate the next week. You must plan long-term. Even if it is turbulent now, you must plan long-term. Like a captain of a long haul, a long flight. If you are the captain of a long flight, 15 hours flight, you must plan the whole journey. Do not be disrupted by the turbulence during takeoff. You must steady the ship, you must steady the vehicle until you reach where you are reaching. Niseme. Hii ujinga ya kutafuta umaarufu wa leo ambao utaisha kesho, tuwache kama Wakenya jameni. Isn't it? Now, mumesikia waziri wetu wa fedha anafanya public participation ya budget. Niseme? Because now the ship is a bit steady. Because now we are on the cruising level. The turbulence is gone. The plane now is stable. It is steady. President Ruto is bringing legislation tax amendment laws. Tax amendment laws. This February, tunaweka sheria bunge, tukiongozwa na William Ruto. Any Kenyan earning below 30,000 will not pay tax. Ni fire, si fire. Ni fire, si fire. Wale watu ya Zakayo wamezama, wajazama. Watu ya Zakayo wamezama. We are going to reduce tax so that people earning an income of less than 30,000 shillings will not pay any tax. Kama
Mwancho mwegera tugotigana gituske mutubono ase bikorwa abya abana gutugutwa nigo bigenderete bono ko baichania abamenyi be county ya Machakos ase egekorwa kiabwango igo nigo mwana hanyorirwe gatugutire asense moyo motaro bwa machabu eike ya moyoka mayaga ayo mwana onde gutugutwa ime yebi bayobo chabu egekege gose chimita chinke korwa asense meyo.
Kazi nzito sana. Hasa tunalalamikia jambo ambalo county government imepanga, inawatoa nurses kutoka kwa zile facilities tunaita dispensaries na kuacha nasi mmoja ahudumie wagonjwa, afanye ile kazi yote, na kwa njia hiyo wanamunyima zile siku zake za kwenda leave. Hata wakati amefiwa na mtu wa ndani wa familia haezi akaenda.
A standard roster, a nurse is supposed to do to work for 40 hours. But as we speak, nurses are working 70 hours in a week. The county government should come out and clarify on why it has not employed nurses. Right as we speak, we are telling the community of Nyamira that they are being treated by quack nurses.
At least kwa level 2 tukue na nurses wanne. But at the moment, it is a favor that tunafanya. We sacrifice ourselves. Tunafanya watu wawili. But wamefikia mahali kuna jamaa wanakaa kwa ofisi. Wanaamuka asubuhi, sijui ni ndoto, wanakuwa kwa ndoto, wanaamuka, wanaanza kupiga watu transfer, wanaacha mtu mmoja kwa facility. How can you work?
Na tugusika mutu mwancho mwiri tutamuko ikase county ya Nyamira asebono abaraibe kiombe Kenya abanyagitari korwa ase county ya Nyamira barora matuko 10 yo kurobekana ase kerianga nigo bagokorera emeremo asabe na nigo bakore emeremo ase Chinsa chinyinge emeremo bakubwatakana nero bagose isbagatebanga abanyagitari abo mbabwati uyo kubwoko bakonya anakera chinga kinigo bakorega ase asinga kichintambe okwana nabariki amangana Amayia abanyagitari nabarayi gosabara abanyagitari abwe nigo bamokiri oboraibwe county eyo ase agotebakana ninga nigo abatari goikeranibwa amagani yabo.
Venye nimeona Joy kuaga right. Ungezaa mtoi hadi kama mtaki, ungetutafuta jo utupe.
Sisi kama serikali ya county government of Machakos, juzi tulikuwa na jambo kama hili pale Zambia Plaza. Na tukaarifu ya kwamba tukatoa imizo kubwa sana ama warning ya kwamba jambo kama hili serikali ya Machakos county government halitavumilia kamwe.
Naomba kwa wakazi ama hasa wanawake, tafadhalini na waomba kama mnashindwa ni kulea watoto,
kazi nzito sana. Hasa tunalalamikia jambo ambalo county government imepanga, inawatoa nurses kutoka kwa zile facilities tunaita dispensaries na kuacha nasi mmoja ahudumie wagonjwa, afanye ile kazi yote, na kwa njia hiyo wanamunyima zile siku zake za kwenda leave.
Omwancha omurgereria igo kwana kibanga orobote rutanganire rwo kwana igora Nyamira rwachire orwa kabere kwende ruronde rwo bwana gotuto essence ya Machakos na rwacha orwa kabere mwancha omurgereria nigo tosaba kwabera oso gutantana uko gwechi bicha korende chibiche echo nigo chiana anechinkwana achia abanyagitari ko Nyamira na chinkwana chichinde cha bana gotuto ase Chinsa mochiria achia Machakos so ikarabwe ngo ikomwere wa mangana Amayia Chinsa Ikomi korende to maso ko kegarensa yamo ninseto chamaragoba no nyora mangana yo asenchera yo boikeranu onere Frida kero bakwatrana aya masa ya mona Clinton ondigi nabego sencha bene no chikunyana dingana alia kemoya hine kemoya ngana kirisirigana nere maragoba rero Thomas Goska kuchinse chiwe kakiagara no chikuya somia mangana mange esenge semeria kemoya nere dinyangau Frida kerbo amo onere Clinton ondigi Thomas Goska omoroberi bongolia mareko kekermotu nere edinyangau mwana mboka kuro kwa Daniel omwaga maragoba rero niko tuwatarna anere Feritas Kabende amo Nabas Ondari senchira bene kore kinga chibi chama na Mariogi kuikirare senchira batweru morogoba omuya